Your squats might be destroying your knees without you even realizing it yet. Today, we fix 3 small changes that transform your squat forever, starting now. Most people think squats are simple, but form mistakes destroy results, completely inefficient. This video reveals 3 fixes protecting your knees while building glutes effectively, safely. First fix involves foot positioning. Many lifters completely ignore during squats daily training. Proper stance alignment reduces knee stress and activates stronger glute engagement, immediately improves. Most injuries happen because knees collapse inward during descent movement patterns under load initially. Second fix focuses controlling depth, preventing excessive joint pressure buildup in critical range. Going too deep or shallow can both cause serious knee problems long-term ineffectively. Optimal squat depth depends on mobility, stability, and controlled breathing rhythm consistency matters. Third fix is core bracing, which stabilizes entire squat movement chain from start. Weak core forces knees to compensate, increasing injury risks significantly over every rep. Bracing correctly also improves power output and glute activation levels dramatically over time. Now combine all 3 fixes for maximum squat transformation results. You'll feel knees start tracking properly when feet are correctly positioned outward slightly for stability. This small adjustment instantly reduces pain during deep squat movements for beginners too. Keep weight balanced through midfoot, not heels or toes throughout the lift. Most lifters shift forward, causing dangerous knee stress accumulation without noticing form breakdown. Controlled descent prevents momentum from stealing muscle activation benefits during every single rep. Slow reps improve muscle tension and significantly protect joint health long-term gains. Breathing technique also plays major role in squat performance efficiency under heavy load. Exhale while rising improves core stability and lifting strength overall across all reps. Inhale before descending helps maintain spinal alignment and control through every single phase. Core engagement protects lower back while improving squat power output for safer lifts. Avoid collapsing chest forward, which reduces glute activation drastically during deep squat reps. Knee pain often signals improper alignment rather than actual weakness in the movement pattern. Fixing squat form improves athletic performance beyond just leg training for long-term. Stable hips prevent knee collapse and improve overall lifting efficiency with proper control. Foot pressure distribution determines squat stability and injury prevention success every single rep. Proper warm-up activates joints and prepares nervous system for squats, reducing injury risk. Elite lifters prioritize form over heavy weight every single time for longevity gains. Depth control improves muscle recruitment and prevents joint strain significantly in every squat. Mind-muscle connection enhances glute activation during controlled movement for faster, better results. Common mistake is letting knees cave inward under pressure load during squat reps. Strong glutes reduce knee strain and improve athletic explosiveness significantly over training cycles. Squat is full body movement requiring coordination and stability control for maximum effect. Small adjustments create massive changes in performance and joint safety over consistent training. Foot angle determines how glutes and quads share workload properly during each rep. Consistency in technique matters more than lifting heavier weights for long-term success. Proper squat mechanics protect knees and build powerful glutes efficiently when done correctly. Incorrect knee tracking leads to long-term joint degeneration risks over repeated stress. Athletes use controlled tempo to maximize muscle activation and safety in strength training. Heel pressure increases quad dominance but reduces glute activation balance if overused repeatedly. Hip mobility directly affects squat depth and injury prevention ability in all lifters. Glute activation reduces knee stress and improves overall movement efficiency across training sessions. Bracing core before descent stabilizes spine and improves force transfer during heavy lifts. Improper squat depth causes hip compensation and lower back strain over time progress. Knee alignment over toes can be safe when controlled properly with proper form. Progressive overload must respect joint health to avoid chronic injury for sustainable gains. Recovery between sessions allows muscles and joints to rebuild stronger for optimal progress. Pain during squats is a warning signal, not something to ignore. Listen to body. Correct foot placement increases stability and reduces injury risk in every squat rep. Glutes are primary driver for explosive power in lower body when activated properly. Fixing squat form improves hormone response and muscle growth potential over training period. Weak ankles often contribute to poor squat mechanics and instability in many lifters today. Mindful movement improves neuromuscular control and squat efficiency significantly over repeated practice sessions. Proper warm-up reduces stiffness and prepares joints for deep squats effectively every time. Consistent training builds stronger connective tissues and resilient joints over the long term. Better squat form leads to better athletic performance and longevity in all sports. Small form corrections prevent major injuries and improve strength output over time progress. Key tracking properly ensures safe squats and stronger leg development for all lifters. Glute activation reduces reliance on knees during heavy lifting in major compound lifts. Proper squat depth improves muscle balance and joint safety overall across training programs. Core strength determines stability and prevents collapse under load during heavy squat movement. Hip hinge pattern is essential for proper squat mechanics in every single rep. Incorrect breathing leads to poor stability and reduced power output under heavy lifts. Slow eccentric phase increases muscle tension and strengthens joints safely over training cycles. Foot pressure imbalance leads to instability and poor squat performance during every rep. Strong glutes protect knees and enhance athletic power across multiple movement patterns. Proper squat setup determines success before the first repetition begins for every single athlete. Improved mobility allows deeper squats without joint discomfort issues in most lifters today. Consistent training builds strength while preventing overuse injuries over long periods of time. Knee pain often originates from poor squat mechanics and alignment, not just strength. Controlled tempo training builds strength and improves movement quality for long-term results. Squat mechanics influence hormone response and metabolic rate efficiency during intense strength workouts. Balanced stance prevents asymmetry and improves joint health overall over many training years. Proper squat form increases strength gains and reduces injury risk over consistent training sessions. Glute activation should be prioritized over knee dominance in squats for better results. Correct breathing pattern enhances stability and lifting efficiency significantly during every squat rep. Mobility restrictions often limit squat depth and overall performance in many individuals today. Strong core reduces injury risk and improves lifting stability during intense heavy training. Proper squat mechanics require coordination between hips, knees, and ankles for full control. Joint alignment determines force distribution and movement efficiency throughout the entire squat motion. Small form corrections significantly improve squat strength and safety over consistent training sessions. Glute strength protect knees and enhance athletic power dramatically over the long term. Controlled descent enhances muscle growth and joint protection simultaneously in every single rep. Proper squat stance determines success before the first repetition begins for every single athlete. Mobility and stability together determine squat depth and safety for all serious athletes. Correct technique reduces joint stress and builds stronger movement patterns over time progress. Strong foundation in squats leads to long-term athletic success for every athlete. Proper knee tracking ensures longevity and prevents chronic pain in most active individuals. Glute engagement is key to preventing knee collapse during squats every single rep. Controlled breathing improves stability and enhances squat performance greatly under nearly all conditions. Small adjustments in stance can dramatically change squat outcomes for significantly better results. Proper squat mechanics are essential for long-term joint health and mobility preservation. Consistency in form leads to better strength and injury prevention over repeated sessions. Knee health depends on proper alignment and glute activation synergy during functional movements. Squat success comes from technique, not just heavier weights over consistent training cycles. Final takeaway is perfect squat form protects knees and builds glutes long-term. Apply these 3 fixes today and transform your squat performance forever, right now.